Pat Quinn. Call me at 440-516-3800. I'm Pat Quinn. I'm a DUI specialist. I'm certified in blood, breath, urine, field sobriety testing, and machines. I can help you no matter what your situation is. Let's talk about penalties, all right? Been charged with an OVI. If this is your first offense, things will go along smoothly. I can keep you out of jail. The first offense requires 72 hours in jail and or a driver intervention program. If this is your first offense, I can tell you won't go to jail. You'll get the driver intervention program, and we'll get you driving within 15 days or faster. And there'll be a penalty, but it won't be so bad. Your life will get back to normal quickly. Let's assume this is a second offense within 6 years. Penalties become more severe with subsequent charges. A second penalty, a DUI, in 6 years is a 10-day minimum jail sentence. However, if you have a savvy attorney, they can reduce that to 5 days in jail, and it's got to be consecutive days. There's no way around that. And 18 days house arrest. Now, house arrest does not mean that you sit in your house all day. House arrest means that you put a monitor on your ankle, and the monitor is for alcohol and also for your whereabouts. But you're allowed to go to work. You're allowed to go to AA meetings. You're allowed to go to medical appointments. Some courts are more liberal and they will allow you to go for family visitation and other banking, groceries, things like that. Depends on what court you're in. Now, this doesn't seem very light, but it's a lot better than doing 10 days in jail. If you get a third offense within 6 years, this is very, very serious. And it requires mandatory drug and alcohol treatment, mandatory yellow plates, mandatory intoxilizer in your car. You're looking at a minimum of 30 days in jail up to a maximum of 1 year. If you refuse the test, you're looking at 20 days in jail. On a second time DUI, there is a requirement for yellow plates and an intoxilizer. However, sometimes we can get around that depending upon your circumstances and how smart your DUI lawyer is and the relationships with the courts. I can tell you I've been very successful in doing that. If you get subsequent DUIs, they can become felonies, punishable by going to prison. You don't ever want to get to that point. Give me a call. I can help you no matter how many DUIs you've had in your past. I'm Pat Quinn. Call me at 440-516-3800. I'm Pat Quinn. Call me at 440-516-3800.